Hey, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, instead of denim, I'm going to be reviewing a pair of Vans authentic chinos in slim fit. That's right. Instead of denim, we've got some chinos here. Now, before we do all that, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get some more viewers to this channel. So let's open them up. These are in the slim fit, all right? Most things I wear are slim fit. Let's just open up from the top. We'll go down. I have the tags on still. We'll remove those in a moment. All right, so I believe these are 5 pocket, right? We got our pocket here. Got our standard 2 front pockets. We got what everyone calls like the tech pocket or whatever like that. I've never really known what to put in there except like a lighter. Then on the back side, we're gonna see here, we got 2 more pockets, button closed, all right? How's it close? How's it clasp up? We got a button here and then a zip fly. All right, I like that. That's nice. And then we should have 5 belt loops, pretty standard, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you got the cross ones back here. All right, like I said, these are slim fit. I got these in a 32 length, so you can cuff, so I can cuff them. I like the look of a cuff. Also on the Vans chinos, on the cuff, you have the Vans tag. So if you cuff these, you'll be able to see that tag, which is pretty cool. Yeah, these are in the olive green, olive drab, I believe, olive green. I don't even know. I just like the color on the rack and I grabbed them. So yeah, let me put these on, style them with something. We'll see how they look and we'll get out of here. All right, everyone, now it's time for the fit test. I apologize for the wonky lighting. This is the best I could do with the time I have and what lighting I do have right now. So if anyone has any good lighting recommendations, drop it in the comment. Anyway, moving on. Here's how they look while I'm wearing these. I got a little dog hair there, I apologize. Yeah, these are the 31, 32s. I got 2 cuffs in these. How do they fit? I think they fit really nice. These are, like I said, the 31s. They sit kind of more at the waist. They're not low rise, which I can't stand low rise pants. So these are pretty nice, like in that aspect. The slim profile, I think is pretty slim. And then we look at the backside. I think the backside is important when you're talking about chinos, because chinos are not khakis. If you look at a lot of the khakis, I used to work in an office, man. I used to work in an office, and man is what I meant to say. Some of the khakis and the way people wear them is just really unappealing, and they're frumpy, and they're like wrinkly, and they just don't look good. I'm not a khaki person, if you can't tell. I don't own a single pair. I don't think I ever will, all right? Actually, I can swear I never will. All right, but these are nice. And where these stand out versus like, I have a couple pair of Target chinos, the Goodfellow, they're like $30. They're nice when you're in a bind. They're nice for just a pair that you're gonna wear a couple seasons and get rid of. They're not really durable. I mean, compared to other cheap brands, they're actually kind of durable, but compared to this, they don't even feel the same. And also they fade really quick. And if you dry them incorrectly or they get dried, some pairs, the legs twist and get all kinked. These don't feel like that. I have yet to wash these, but I don't think that's going to happen. I like them so much, I'm gonna go buy all the other colors over the next few months, so I have them all in my rotation. So if you can't figure it out yet, go get yourself a pair. I highly recommend these, the Vans regular chino, slim fit. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hope everyone's having a good 2025 so far. I'll catch you later. Thanks for watching.